So we see the 2011 question 2. It's a simultaneous equation. This is where we will be looking at how we can solve for more than one unknown, because the previous equations we've been working on were all one unknowns. Though we've done that of the quadratic, so we will see how best we take this. The question reads, solve for x and y in the equation 2 to the power x plus 4y equals to 1, and 2 to the power x plus 8y equals to 1 on 4. 2011 WASSCE NOVDEC, so November. So we start by just looking at the solution. Basically, all we know is that when a question is given, we have to make sure that both sides of the equation are of the same base so that we can work. Now, this is what we've been given here. 2x plus 4y equals to 1. And we got 2x plus 8y equals 1 on 4. Okay. How are we going to make it work? How are we going to make sure that 2 to the power 2 here and 1 are going to be of the same base? Bear in mind that any number to a power 0 is 1. Any number to a power 0 is 1. So if I've gotten 2 here, it means that 1 here is also equals to 2 to the power 0. So I'm going to get my first part, 2x plus 4y must be equals to 2 to the power 0. At this point, I can equate the base, and I'm having x plus 4y equals to 0. This is equation 1. Then I come to the second part. This section 2, I can just reduce it in such a manner that we know that when we say a to the power negative 1 is same as 1 over a, then expressing 1 on 4 in a linear format, it has to go in this format. So what I do now is I write my 2x plus 8y equals to 4 to the power negative 1. And what I need to do now is to convert this 4 to also a power and a base. And converting this 4 to a power and a base, what we need to do is know that 2 to the power 2 is going to give me 4. So I bring it down here. Let me maintain it here. 2x plus 8y equals to 2 to the power 2 minus 1, like this. So I can now equate my base. If I equate my base, I'm having x plus 8y to be equals to minus 2. This is equation 2. Okay, what I normally tell my students is this. When you get to this point, you can just rewrite the equations and apply the best simultaneous equation method, which you know is good for you. So I'll rewrite my equation. The equations. So rewriting the equations, I have the first equation 1 is x plus 4y is equals to 0. This is equation 1. And equation 2 is x plus 8y to be equals to negative 2. Because as we check it here, equals to negative 2. This is equation 2. So now, whichever the method we are using, let us use the implication method. You can just use the substitution method, elimination method, whichever method, the graphical solution, addition, or whatever method. So using the implication method, I make x the subject of equation 1 and 2. So make x for equation 1 and 2. X the subject of equation 1 and 2. So making x the subject of equation 1, I'll have x equals to 0 minus 4y. Okay. Okay, I should have written it straight. So x here equals to minus 4y, which is equation 3. And x, the subject of equation 2, I have x equals to, I'll let 8y cross the equal sign. I'll get minus 2 minus 8y. Okay, so this is equation 4. So you state, since x equals to x, equation 3 will be equal to equation 4. So what is equation 3? Equation 3 reads, I'm changing the ink. Equation 3 reads x equals 0 minus y. So equation 3 reads minus 4y. That is equation 3. And equation 4 also reads minus 2 minus 8y. What do I do now? Group items. Bring 8y to the right hand side. I've got minus 4y plus 8y equals to minus 2. Now 8y here, because it crossed the equation sign, became positive here. Now negative 4y, you are owing 4. Now you have 8. So I'm going to be left with what? 4y to be equals to minus 2. Divide through by 4. So I've got 4 here, 4 here. This is gone. Now y at this point is going to be equals to negative 1 on 2. Okay, I've gotten y to be equals to negative 1 on 2. Then let me find the value of x. So put y equals to negative 1 on 2 into equation, let's say 3. This is equation 3. So what is equation 3 giving me? Equation 3, as we have, is x equals to negative 4y. So x equals to negative 4, and I know y is negative 1 on 2. So negative times negative is positive. So 2 goes to 4, 2. So x here is equals to 2. You can prove to see what you've done is correct by substituting it into the relation. So with this, you state that therefore x equals to 2, y equals to negative 1 on 2. So this is the solution to the question. We will take the last one, then the remainder you can get it on our page.